The market's in the day in bearish territory. My name's Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade, kicking off the week here on Monday, June 8th, 2015. And the broad markets as a whole in negative territory yet again. We have the spiders down 0.64%, the Dow down 0.4%, the Nasdaq down a full 1%. Small caps down almost a 0.5%. However, banks, financials in bullish territory up 0.2%. We have silver down about a 0.5%, but gold up 0.3%. US dollar dipping more than 1.15%, down almost 2%. The VIX increasing higher by more than 2%. Here we are looking at the SPDR ETF using tradingview.com. And this SPDR, we had this rising wedge. You have the blue lines rising wedge and the red lines rising wedge. Two rising wedge together. Both of those broken last Wednesday or last Thursday, and then Friday, and then Monday here. Boom, to the downside, closing at the day's low. Volume not bad, just a tick lower, but we're coming into some support area right here. That support area around the 208 mark should hold up. It'd be interesting to see what the markets do there. The reason I say that is because the banks are on fire, going higher, 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 higher. That should bode well for the markets. Take a look here at the NASDAQ, and here's the big problem with NASDAQ. I was saying in the weekend edition that I could not be screaming bearish, bearish, bearish until the rising wedge of the NASDAQ broke down, and that of the small caps, which we'll get to momentarily. Well, we did break down. We have a confirmed breakdown here on the NASDAQ rising wedge. What's interesting is we had this rising wedge hit resistance, but we failed to hit it there. Relative weakness, we drop. Try to find support here with a hammer, but Monday, boom, to the downside. So it broke this area that should have been support. Small caps, though, what's interesting is we're not seeing the same breakdown. Small caps and banks staying buoyant. That's why I'm not screaming from the rooftops, warning, warning, warning. Normally I would be, but we do not have confirmation with small caps, nor do we have it with our financials. So stay very close to us because we will keep you abreast of the very latest. Furthermore, quit trying to trade on your own. It did not work for me. I promise you it will not work for you. What I would highly encourage you to do is listen to the next message, take it very seriously, and consider coming in and becoming a formally trained trader. We have mentored over 2,000 students. We want you to be our mentee. We want to be your mentor for this month, or fly into Vegas with us in July, and we will help you with your airline ticket if you decide to do so. So listen for more information now. What I want to show you is this. I'm going to pull up my personal trading account. This is Interactive Brokers, and I'm going to show you and point out a few things. If you look here, I have a list of stocks that I'm holding, and my positions, the price I got into them, and the market value. Coming over here, this is my unrealized profit and loss. So at this moment, I'm up just over $19,000. The winners at the top, the losers here at the bottom. And what I did was I realized $21,000 on Friday. So I sold a number of these off, kind of shaved down some of my position sizes, took the profit, and I made this profit within the last week or two. So I went up another 20,000, taking my wife on a nice trip in a month or so. So I'm pulling some money out. And anyway, that I'll be cutting a check or have them issue me a check probably today or tomorrow and get that done. Another thing I want to show you is an email that I just received yesterday, and this is from a Grok grad, Dr. Craig. I'll give you at least his first name, and we have some chats going back and forth. It says, great, yep, made some money last year watching your videos and doing what you and the cat taught me. I know lots of people have made money this year, I added this year, because the market was up about 35%, but I was up over 50%, exclamation point. Anyway, that's nice success. We applaud success. We love hearing success stories. This is a Grok graduate that his account is basically darn near doubled what the markets have done, and his account grew by 50% because of that. So it's very nice. Anyway, you've already set the perfect foundation to become a great trader. What we're doing is going in and looking and devouring charts. So by the time we're done with mentoring, you're going to have some very important skill sets. What we're trying to do here is make money. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is make money, but we've taught you to trade and trade well and let money be the byproduct of that good behavior in the markets. So what's in it for you? After taking this mentorship, you're going to reach a new level, mastering your trading through technical analysis. You're going to gain secrets to instantly judge and identify the very strongest of trade opportunities that are out there. You're going to know how to professionally trade the easy to spot chart patterns for swing and day trading, stocks, ETFs, futures, or currency. We're going to give you the step-by-step instructions to master advanced entry techniques. And there's going to be a heavy concentration on must-know trading patterns for the biggest money makers. The class will teach you how to instantly scan through your charts and trade the very best patterns, and ignoring those that simply suck our valuable time in the markets. We're going to teach you how to avoid from getting killed by those pesky false breakouts and breakdowns. And we're going to even teach you advanced ways on how to exploit opportunities to make money on them. You're going to reach a master's level when it comes to position sizing and how you scale in and scale out, and the strategies necessary to be able to do that with great confidence. You're going to learn an extreme amount in these 2 days. Your education has already given you a foundation to help you become a master trader. So what I'm asking you to do is enroll into this class to allow us to help make that a reality for you. So what are we doing? We're doing a mentorship. Why are we doing this? We know that not all of you guys are reaching your full potential in the markets. We're here to help you make that a reality. Do not hesitate. I hope you get signed up and join us. You will be so happy you did.